Hey guys, if you like what you're seeing, keep watching this video till the end and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get unlimited gems and passes on episode. Firstly, make sure to change these settings right now. The first setting is the orientation feature. You need to make sure that orientation is locked on your phone just like this. So if you have orientation unlocked like this, then you need to simply tap on it to lock orientation. Once you're done with that, you need to go to settings. And then once you are on the main settings, we're gonna go on and find the background app refresh. Again, once you are on background app refresh, make sure that it's turned on. If it's off for you like this, then you need to simply tap on it. You need to tap on background app refresh. And then once you do tap on background app refresh, let me show you what you need to do. So you need to tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn background app refresh on, and this is the second setting that you need to change. Now there is one last setting which I'm gonna show you right now. The last setting is on the main settings window. You need to go back there and then you need to find the battery tab. What we're gonna do next is that we need to actually go on and make sure that low power mode is turned off. So scroll down until you find the battery tab over here and then tap on it. Alright, let me show you. Tap on battery over here. And as I said, what you need to do is to make sure that low power mode is off. For me, it is off already. And I'm gonna show you what you need to do there. So as you can see here, for me, now it's on. To turn it off, you need to tap on this handle over here. And once you do that, then that's all the settings that you need to change on your iPhone. Now I'm gonna show you how to get the gems and the passes. If you are on Android, now you should start following this tutorial as well, because the steps from now until the end are the same on both devices. And the next thing that you need to do on both phones is that you need to open your browser and then go to this web page, which I'm gonna show you right now. And once you're here, the next step is that you need to find episode. And to find it, it's gonna be very easy, and you can do it in two different ways. You can either scroll down until you find episode on the list over here, or if you don't want to do that, if you're too lazy to go and scroll down until you find the game, then the best option is gonna be using the search bar. By using the search bar, you'll be able to find episode immediately. So go to the search bar over here, and then once you are at this search bar, tap episode, and then once you type episode, you're gonna see that the extension is gonna show up and it's gonna say episode. So this is the extension that gives you all the free passes and all the free gems. To get them, you need to simply tap on the extension, and then once you do tap on it, you need to tap on the start injection button to basically start downloading and injecting this extension on your phone, which in the end is gonna give you all the passes and all the gems. And it works both in Android and iOS. So tap on the start injection button, and once the injection starts in a few seconds, you will be redirected in a new window where you need to complete a couple of more steps which are very well explained, and once you complete these steps, only then you'll be able to get the gems and the passes. Now I have completed the steps before shooting the video tutorial because I didn't want to make this video very long, because it takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once you follow all the explanation, you'll be able to get all these gems and passes. And in the end, you need to simply open the game just like this, let me show you. And then, once you do open the game, you'll be able to get all the gems and all the passes on your device. So this is it, this is how it's gonna look like. Yep, as you can see here, I'm getting all these gems and all these passes added on my episode game, and it's gonna be the same for you as well. In the end, once you complete the steps, once you follow all the instructions carefully, you will be able to have all these gems and all these passes, and this is how it's gonna look like. As I said earlier, this works both in Android and in iOS device. Do not forget to change the settings on your iOS device, and if you are on Android, follow everything from the part where I open the website and where I complete all the steps to get the gems and the passes. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends if you want to watch more tutorials like this.